Hi, my name is Alfred Edwards. I have successfully completed an Ableton Music Production course for electronic music with recording connection. In this course, I learned music theory, song structure for multiple subgenres, and to completely navigate through the Ableton workstation. One of the best things I learned was the hands-on experience with working with real artists and to see their different styles of workflows. I had an amazing opportunity to mix a project for Mac Woodward, one of the RC mentors. And on that project, I enjoyed seeing all the different layers of vocals and sounds come together for a new hip hop record, which I thought was pretty awesome. I really enjoyed my time with Recording Connection and the studio that they assigned me. Very flexible hours. I got to learn everything that I wanted to learn and more in the course. So I would definitely recommend Recording Connection for audio engineers, producers, and many other things. So thank you.